can confuse me. I know my right. I'm not a kid. I have a kid. I have children.
Jennifer,
which I can control. My children cannot control me. I know what is right and what is wrong. My brother, I want to advise you, please turn back and do the right thing.
So I don't know. Let me end your call. Next time, if you want to call my program, I'm not good in talking like a market people. Go straight to the point and keep quiet. Hear the other person. Don't run like a broken. Don't talk like a broken record. If you say something, go straight to the point. Then allow other people to help you on that. You cannot just be talking and talking. Jennifer, you deleted your message. You said that I did not answer your call. How will I know that you are the one calling? A lot of people, many people are calling. Jennifer Haberetua. I think that I don't know how to pronounce it, but Jennifer is what I know. I can see here. Please, Jennifer, you can just message me so I will know that you are the one, because a lot of people are calling, and after when I drop call, I have to pick another call. Okay. Now I don't have that time. To be honest with you, I'm rushing to somewhere. And this guy that called, one thing you need to understand, you think I'm like people that you are following. I'm not the kind of people that are following. Ike please, I'm not taking call anymore, okay? Because I'm rushing to somewhere. I'm trying to round up the program. Let me just conclude, okay? He said, okay, you are the one. Okay, let me answer you. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Are you Jennifer?
No, this is Ike Baba.
Ike Baba. So Jennifer, you said you are the one. I don't know what you mean you are the one. Are you the one that? Are you the Abo guy? Jennifer, please let me know. Okay. Ike Baba, just 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me end the program. Okay. 1 minute.
Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you. Kai, my brother. You know why I call back?
No.
I called because of the person that they just called now. You know, some people, we like to dig what is not relevant. I understand. And they will like to dig sometimes. We try to dig lie. Why I call back is that, is it the caterpillar is the problem of agitation of Biafra? The answer is no. Are you understand me?
Yeah.
The issue of Amufu.
Okay, Jennifer,
the issue of Amufu is the one that is saboteur among them themselves.
My brother,
our PA, during the time, I want to clear that person's story.
You don't need to waste. Listen. Don't be offended. You don't need to waste time on that. I know the kind of people. No matter what you say, this guy will never. He's not here to make common sense. No, he's here trying to.
Well, he said the truth, my brother. He said the truth, Jare. That is not the truth.
So he's not here.
I agree with you.
Don't waste your time on that. You think that I hang call on him because I think I don't know what to tell him. I know. You understand? But no matter, even if you bring evidence now, he will keep on telling you what he's saying now. That I'm not. He's an adult. He have children. You're giving anything important. My brother, don't worry. Let us.
That is the truth. That is the truth.
I don't waste
time. Thank you so much.
I don't waste time on that. Okay. Thank you, brother.
But guys, you know they come this in life every time. In your life, this especially Sunday when we get time. They're gonna give us time, even though so 5 hours. Which can't be this one?
Okay, don't worry. I will adjust.
You will be making time for us.
I will adjust. Trust me, I will adjust. Okay. Don't be with me.
A lot of people today, a lot of people try to listen and contribute 1 or 2 things with you.
I know.
Please try to make time with us.
I may come back. Just give me time. Let me complete what I'm supposed to do. Okay.
Okay, thank you. I love you so much. God bless you.
Thank you. Love you too. Thank you. Please, Jennifer accused me that I intentionally refused to answer her call. So that's why I have to prove to her that I am not like that.
Good morning.
Good morning.